Okay, welcome to part 2 of Planning Center Online, the calendar app. So in this video, we're going to cover creating a new event and putting in some of the details, or just some of the simple details of entering the event. And then we'll cover adding additional details in the next video. So again, when you start out, and after you've logged in, you'll land on the events page here, and you can kind of scroll through the calendar to see different dates. And let's just say that we want to do a prayer breakfast on Saturday, June 4th. So I can hover over the 4th and click new here, or I can also select new event here at the top. So let's just use the new event button at the top. You'll see a window pop up here. You want to create the name of the event. Now this is important because that's the name that people will see when they're looking at the calendar. So all of our members, if they're looking at the details on the website or the Church Center app, that's the name that they'll see. So we'll just say Women's Prayer Breakfast. Maybe I'll change it later. Right, and then next to that you want to select the person that's in charge of this event, which will typically be your name. And then the first option here is a template. So we want to select the template that coincides with the type of event that you have. So right now we only have 2 events. Others will be created as they're needed. So for now, we're just going to choose the event tab here, the event selection that says announcement only, no room needed. We will add a room to it, but this is what we have for now. We'll get the proper setups for what we need to happen. So we're going to go here and confirm the date that we said, which was June 4th. And let's just say we want to do 10 a.m. to 11:30. Does not repeat, so we want to make sure that it says does not repeat. It's not an all-day event, so we want to make sure that is not selected. And then the location was already pre-populated for the South Union main campus, but if you are having it at the annex, then you can change this to the annex. And then you want to do a brief overview of the event here. This is also an important detail. You want to have this say exactly what it is for those who are you're wanting to attend the event. And then the next selection determines whether this is published or hitting from Church Center. We want to always make sure it stays on hide from Church Center, because the administration will do the publishing for now. And then event type, we want to select the type of event that this is. There's a lot of different options here. You just select the one that closely serves what you're doing. So I'll just say community for now. Then once all that's filled in, you can't save the event yet because there are more options that we have to do. So we're going to click the more options button. This is going to bring you over to the overview page, which is where you can enter in more details about the event and set up your times and everything that you need for your event. So for now, we're going to hit save changes, and then we'll go over the details of this page and the following pages in the next video. Save changes, date, reoccurring. This just shows you an overview of what you're actually creating. Hit create event, and from there you're now done. If you click on events, that'll take you back to the home page of events, and now our event shows up right here on Saturday the 4th.